Hello. To create a data integration with an Excel file, go to the Data Integration menu. On the screen that appears, click the New button, then enter the name of the data integration solution. For example, Training. From the Data Integration screen, you can create a new folder, create a data pipeline, or import an existing solution. This can be useful when a solution has been set up and configured in another environment and you want to reproduce it on the Suadeo platform you are using. Creating a folder, in this case Employee Management, allows you to organize and structure your data pipelines into folders and subfolders. At the root of the solution or in a folder, you can create a data pipeline. For example, HR data. Creating a pipeline will take you directly to the Diagram tab, where you can configure your data integration and processing tasks in the form of visual flows. If you are using an Excel file as your data source, simply drag and drop the file into the solution. The source configuration window will appear automatically. Once you have selected the tables and columns, simply click the Save button to confirm the loading of the source into a data extraction task. One or more other data processing tasks can then be chained to this extraction to complete the data integration solution. Finally, once the integration solution, as well as the folders and data pipelines have been created, it is necessary to configure security to share or not share these different objects within the platform. To do this, go to the Security tab and add the desired access rights. Thank you for watching this video.